ZenLedger tax software review usage experience. ZenLedger is a cryptocurrency tax software platform designed to simplify the process of tracking, calculating, and filing tax on digital asset transactions. It caters to both individual investors and tax professionals, offering a range of features to manage the complexity of crypto taxation. And here are the key features about this platform, which is a comprehensive integration and also user-friendly interface. The platform boasts an intuitive and well-organized dashboard, making navigation through transaction and report generation straightforward, even for those new to crypto taxation. And here also, they will provide a tax logs harvesting. So ZenLedger offer a tools to identify opportunities for tax logs harvesting, enabling users to offset up to $3,000 in taxable income per year. And also turbo tax integration. The software integrates the popular tax filing platform like TurboTax, allowing for seamless transfer to tax data and simplifying the filing process. And also user can monitor their real-time cryptocurrency holdings value and gain or losses, providing a comprehensive view of their investment performance. And here is the pros and cons of the platform, which is the extensive capability, is to use security measure, support, customer support. And here's the downside, which is the pricing. So why ZenLedger offered a free price, advanced features and higher transaction limits are available in paid plan, which may be costly for some users. And also API connectivity issues. Some users have reported challenges with API connection to certain exchanges necessitating manual data import. And here the overall conclusion about this platform, which stand out as a robust solution for cryptocurrency tax management, offering a extensive integration, intuitive design, and valuable features like tax loss harvesting and portfolio tracking. While cost may be factors for high frequency trader, the platform comprehensive offering a positive user experience make it a strong contender for those seeking to streamline their crypto tax obligation.